Nah. What? And it's full like this. Don't play.
Ay, bad little thing, yeah. True religion jeans, yeah. Super clean, yeah. What's good with you and me, yeah. Chasing dreams, yeah. Hit me when you're free, yeah. Sex me, that's just what I need, yeah. You got it, that's what I need. You got it, that's what I need. You got it, got what I need. Ay. I got what you need. Shopping bag, Louis shoes, pop the tag. That's for you. Diamond necklace, that's for you. I just.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Lisa. Today we have, I mean, you guys already know what it is, but we have an install video. Now, I'm not even like the biggest fan of curly hair, but this is eating. This is a deep wave unit. This hair is from Alipearl, and they were kind enough to send me this 13x6 frontal. Guys, it's pre-plucked, but it wasn't pre-bleached. I had to do that myself. But yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys step by step how I install this wig. It is HD lace, so I didn't even have to apply any like product here. Also guys, people be lying to you and telling you that things are HD lace when they're not. If you got to put like powder and tint and if you got to do all of that, it's probably transparent lace, like just really good like Swiss lace. But HD lace, once you stick it down, you really don't need to do anything. HD lace is perfect if you want your unit to be glueless as well. This could be completely glueless as well because it's got a band on inside. But anyways, if you guys are new here, go ahead, subscribe for the vibes. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because it is too lit over there. And if you're not new, then welcome back. And yeah, let's just get right on into the video. I don't want to talk for too long. Let's just get into it. So this is the packaging that the hair came in. It came in this cute box with, of course, all of the essentials to install your wig: the wig band, the edge brush, and this cute satin bag to store my wig. Now, I didn't really have to do much to this wig. As you guys can see, fresh out of the packet, it is in amazing condition, and I really don't have to do much to it. I didn't pluck or anything. All I did was bleach the knots, and yeah, let's get it on my head. So as you guys can see, I've bleached the knots, and I've kind of like hot combed the front just a little bit. And yeah, I'm just making sure it fits on my head properly. And the first thing I'm going to do is cut off the ear tabs. As you guys can see here, I'm just making sure like the wig goes like around my ear. You want to make sure that you don't cut too much or too little off. So take your time with this because you don't want the lace to be like scratching against your ear, and then you also don't want the lace to be like leaving hair out. That makes sense. And yeah.
Persian rocks, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm partying alone. Just wanna chill.
So once everything had been aligned, and yeah, I just went ahead, I cleaned my hairline with micellar water. So I don't really like using rubbing alcohol too much because it's really harsh on my skin, and whenever I do my installs after using rubbing alcohol, I just get like that irritation. I don't know what it is. And yeah, just going in with the hair glue. I'm going in with the thin layer. It looks like I'm putting on quite a bit, but I am trying to spread it out as much as I can. As you guys can see, I put a little bit on, and then I try to spread that out as much as I can, so it's a nice thin layer. And with this glue, I only do 2 layers. I don't like having too much glue on my head. I'm not a fan of it, and my wig actually stays on for long. You just have to make sure you wear your wig band whenever like you're not going out or you're not wearing your hair out like that. That's the best way to keep the lace intact and to keep it stuck down. And as you guys can see, I've got a little bit of a low hairline, so like on the sides there a bit, I do have to put a little bit of glue on my edges. But yeah, the way I remove my wigs is really good, so that's how I've still got edges. And yeah, going on to the second layer of glue now. I put a little bit less than I did the first time and just spread that out again. Wait for it to dry clear and then lay the wig down. So with laying it down, you just want to make sure it's positioned properly, like how I'm doing here. Like, you don't start pressing too much stuff down until you know your wig is exactly where you want it to be. And then I go in with a comb, you know, just really get it stuck down. Like, you know, I don't know if that makes sense, but I go in with a comb just to brush through the roots and make sure that the lace has really like stuck down to the glue.
This one's for you. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. But she hold me down every time I get up. When I get right up.
Now, once I'm happy with that, I just go ahead and put the wig band on. Look how cute this is. It's like silver and glittery and it's just so cute. So I go ahead and yeah, I think I'll leave this on for about, I'd want to say 10 minutes.
Yes, I said you know you got a roommate. Call me when there's no one there. Put the key under the mat and you know I be over there. I be over there. Shout it, I be over there. I be hitting all the spots that you ain't even know was there. And you don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart or we can share it like the last.
As you can see, I'm just brushing out the hair with a wide tooth comb. And I really like the big, like, fluffy look. I know everyone puts, like, water on it and, like, you know, wants it to be, like, super defined. And they don't want their hair too big. But I actually really like the big hair look. It gives it a bit of character and it sort of makes the hair look, like, a little bit more natural. So, yeah. Now taking the wig band off, can you just see how much this is laid? And I tried to match the hairline to my hairline as much as possible. I find that when you do this, your wigs lay down a lot flatter. All the times when I try to do the generic like straight hairline, it just never looks as flawless for me, and the wigs are always a little bit harder to stick down. But yeah, I'm just gonna, as you guys can see here, I'm using this eyebrow razor to cut off the excess lace, and I'm just so happy with how this laid down. Like, oh, I'm in love.
Best I ever had, best I ever had, best I ever had, best I ever had. I said you the sex, love, pain.
And just going in and applying like just a tiny bit of glue to those ear tabs, because you want to make sure they're not lifting. They're like the first to lift with my wigs, so just going in and sticking down any little bit that just didn't stick down the way I wanted it to. And yeah, and with this, you don't even need baby hairs. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I know everyone's into like the huge baby hairs look and whatever, but I kind of like it like this. I obviously did do baby hairs just for the sake of this look, but yeah, you could really get away with like not doing baby hairs on this.
Yeah, just know my condo is the crack spot. Every single show she out there repping like a mascot. Get it from the back and make your bra strap pop. All up in your slot till a nigga hit the jackpot.
So I just sectioned off the parts that I wanted to be the baby hairs, and yeah, it also looks like there's like a little bit of like a light cast in front of the lace, but that's because I've still got a bit of a tan line on my forehead. So yeah, that's just where my tan line is.
I say the same thing every single time. I say
so trimming the baby hairs and getting ready to lay them down.
Best I ever had, best I ever had. I said
So I use this little mini straightener to curl my baby hairs away from my face. I find that when I do this, it just makes laying them down so much easier, and I want that fluffy baby hair look. Now, when it comes to doing baby hairs, you have to be super patient. I've zoomed in a little bit here for you guys so you guys can see. So to start off with, I'm just brushing them in the direction that I want them to lay. Because the hair was curled with the straightener, it kind of flows the way you want it to. And here I'm putting the tiniest bit of Eco Styler, and I'm only putting it on the root of the baby hair, if that makes sense, because I still want that fluffy look. I don't want to put too much product and to make them look too, I don't know, like stuck down, like glued down. So yeah, and I'm just doing this, repeating this process. I feel like you just have to be super patient with this, because baby hairs, they don't always just come out the way you want them at first. So yeah, you just got to play around with it a bit, see what you like. Do you need it to be a bit more curved? Once that was done, I just sprayed spritz again on the root of the baby hairs, just to make sure they stayed in place, but they didn't look too like stuck down. I don't know if that makes sense, but you guys can see here. And yeah, I go in again and put the wig band on. I put it on the reversed way here, but yeah, I go ahead, do that, and just fluff out my hair, play with it a little bit, see how I like it. And yeah, that is literally the install done, guys. From here on, you're just gonna see me parting the hair different ways, playing around with it a little bit, spraying it with a bit of leave-in conditioner and mousse, just to like flatten it down a bit. But yeah, apart from that, that is the install done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do it. I hope I was detailed enough as well and I explained things well. But yeah, oh my days, just look okay. But yeah, anyways guys, just enjoy this final look of my hair and how I made it look a little bit different.
I told you I was gonna make this song about you right here. Yeah. Hey, bad little thing, yeah. True religion ginger. Super clean, yeah. What's good with you and me, yeah. Chasing dreams, yeah. Hit me when you're free, yeah. Sex me, that's just what I need, yeah. You got it, that's what I need. You got it, that's what I need. You got it, got what I need. Ay. I got what you need. Shopping bag, Louis shoes, pot the tag. That's for you. Diamond necklace, that's for you. I just blew a truck or two. Girl, my mind been set on you. Yeah, you know I fuck with you. Love is blue. What are we getting into? Let me tell you, girl, before you go, yeah, there's a few things you should know. I'm still struggling with the do's and don'ts, but I felt compelled to let you know that you a bad little thing. True religion jeans, girl, I see you. Super clean, yo, what's good with you and me? Oh, what's good? Chasing dreams, yo, hit me when you're free, yo. Free, sex me, that's just what I need, baby. Oh, it's just what I needed. Oh, it's just what you got what I need, and I got what you need. When I look at you, I see someone I don't deserve. Then I pretend like my vision blurred. Is it love? I'm searching for a different word. Looked at me, said when it disoccurred. Soon as I seen you in mini skirt. Soon as you hit me with smile first. Soon as I heard how your mind works. Me and my girl, we just diverged. We just went our separate ways, yeah. And she love me cause I'm paid up. Therefore, I don't want makeup. Yeah, I saw something different in you. Had to come and tell you straight up. We was headed for the door, had to tell you wait up. Like, ayo, hold up, wait up. Hold up, let me tell you, girl, before you go, there's a few things that you should know. I don't do this on the usual, but I felt compelled to let you know that you a bad little thing. So bad.
So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. And thank you so much to Alipearl for sending me this wig and for sponsoring this video. And yeah, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And I'll see you in my very next video. Bye. Oh, this hair is so cute. You crazy? Nah. What? and it's full like this. Don't play.